Alright friends, right now we will learn how to update list element. As we learned in previous lessons, we can access elements using their index number. For example, I can use odd numbers here. How I can access odd numbers? Value using index number. If I put 0, I run it, you see 1 appears on the screen. So, if we want to change a value in the list, we can assign a new value using its index number. So, let's change this value. It is 1. We change 1 to 10, for example. For doing this, we can do it like that. Odd numbers 0. It means my first value in the list right now is equal to 10. So let's print odd numbers. I print it, you see. My first value became 10. It was 1, but I changed it. I assigned new value here. It became 10 after assigning. So I print it. Right now my list change. I can access any value using its index and change it. I can do that. Okay, super. See you in the next lesson.